Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome to my channel. For my first video, I decided to film my everyday school makeup. That's if I wear makeup. This is usually what I wear because it's very like natural. It's very light and glowy and I love a glow. So if you're interested on seeing how I got this look, please keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I first started moisturizing my face with my Origins Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. It's very refreshing, especially right now that it's winter time and I have super dry skin. Then I took my Too Faced Hangover Primer. This stuff smells so good and I just used it all over my face to keep the makeup in place. I'm filling in my eyebrows using the BrowGal Eye Pencil in number 2 Espresso, and then I use the City Color Clear Lock Brow Gel over top of it to keep my brows in place for the rest of the day. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just using that to conceal my eyebrows, and I'm taking a flat angled brush to blend the concealer into my skin. I'm priming my eyelids using my Essence eyeshadow base, and I'm using my ring finger to blend it out. Next, I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible ProGlow foundation. I'm in the shade 201 Classic Ivory. I'm just dotting it all over my face and using my Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend it out. Once again, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm applying that under my eyes, on my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose to highlight. Once I blended out the concealer, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Starlight, and I'm applying that in the areas that I want to highlight. This is an amazing, really cheap dupe for the Cover FX highlighting drops. This is a dupe for the shade Celestial. I have that shade and it's an exact dupe, except the only difference is that this is $7 and the Cover FX is $50. Next, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild contour stick. This is in the shade Call Me Maple. Honestly, this stuff is so bomb. It blends into your skin so like naturally and easy. You don't have to like rub it in or anything. And then over top of the contour stick, I'm taking my Colourpop bronzer. I forgot the shade that I purchased, but I'll link all the products down below. And I'm taking it on a big fluffy brush, and I'm putting that in the areas that I want to be bronzed. For blush, I'm using my Smashbox Cosmetics Red Carpet Radiance VIP Blush Palette on a small angled brush. And then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Lace to bake under my contour using my Real Techniques sponge. And then for highlight, I'm using my Morphe M510 brush, and I'm using the Colourpop shade Hippo. Taking the shade Santa Baby from the Kylie Cosmetics Nice palette, I'm using my Morphe M441 brush and applying that all over the crease. Then on a flat shader brush from Colourpop, I'm taking the Anastasia Single Shadow in the shade Peach Sorbet, and then deepening the crease with the shade Hot Cider in the Nice palette. Then I'm taking that same Colourpop highlighter and using it to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. I'm prepping my lashes for falsies using my Tarte Tarteist lash paint. And then the eyelashes that I'm using are the Casina in the style Demi Wispies. Then I'm taking a fluffy fan brush to wipe off my bake. And I'm lining my lips with this Wet n Wild gel liner in the shade Bear to Comment. And over top of that, I'm using my Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Star-Crossed. To set my makeup in place, I'm using my Lavender MAC Fix Plus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.